This is example 9 from 1.2. The two terms of arithmetic sequence are u sub 6 equals 4, u sub 11 equals 34. Find u sub 15. So, of course, the way I like to start every problem, write down the formula, see what you know. Okay, they gave us a lot of information that we got to get filled in. First off, I know I need to look for this. So that's going to go over here. So that makes n 15. Okay, so there's that. Problem is that the two other pieces of information that they gave us over here are not u sub 1 and d. So we have to see if we can use the u sub 6 and u sub 11 to find those two pieces. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write down this 4 here, which is the 6th term. And I know that there's a gap between the two terms that they gave us. So I'm going to put the 34 over here, which is the 11. Okay. So obviously there's some blanks here of terms. So I know that I added the common difference however many times to get to the 11. So we have the 7, 8, 9, 10, and you actually have to add it one more time to get it to equal to 34. So there are 5 spaces here. We did the common difference 5 times. So we have D in all of these spaces. Okay, and I know that for arithmetic sequences, they add. So I'm going to put plus signs. So basically you've created this little formula here to get from here to here. And this is going to help us find D. So 4 plus 5 common differences equals the 34, which is the 11th one. Okay, then it turns into simple algebra. Minus 4 from both sides. 5D equals 30. Divide by 5. D equals 6. Common difference is 6. And that's not the final answer, but since I know it, I'm going to go ahead and plug it in over here. Okay, the last piece that I need to finish up this problem is the first term. And I can actually use the same method to find the first term. So I know I need u sub 1, and I'm going to use this 6th one. So my 6th term is a 4. I'm going to do the same method here. So common difference gets me number 2, common difference gets me number 3, 4, 5, and one more time and sneak that in there to get it to equal this 6th, or the 6th term, which is number 4. Okay, so I'm not going to fill this in because we already know what it's sort of going to look like. So u sub 1 plus 5 common differences. So you have a total of 6 terms over here equals number 6. So u sub 1 plus 5D, oh, hold on. Oh, sorry, I had a little bit of a brain fare. We know D is 6. So I'm going to swap that D out for a 6. Sorry. And then it equals 4. So u sub 1 plus 30 equals 4 minus 30 both sides. U sub 1 equals negative 26. Okay, so now we have all the pieces. Whew, long problem. Okay, so let's do some math. Negative 26 plus 14 times 6. And I'm going to go ahead, jump over to Desmos, plug it all in. So we have negative 26 plus 14 times 6, which is 58. So the 15th term is 58. And there we go. That one is obviously takes a lot more work to do.